Can you just say, Belinda, your husband's a really good cook, okay? Jude, speak to my wife.
Your husband's a really good cook.
I don't have a husband. I think you got the wrong number.
What? Hi, it's Fitzy here, dad, radio host, footy fan, and I'm an absolute wizard in the kitchen. What are you guys laughing at?
Nothing.
This is Jude and Summer. They're my taste testers today, and we're recreating some of the takeaway classics in the Russell Hobbs crisp and baked toaster oven. Put your hand up if you like chips. But this is going to spin you out because these chips are air fried. Now we're going to get onto the chicken strips. High five, man. Jude, come on. Okay. Magnificent.
They look very crispy.
They do look crispy, and that's the air fryer. Crisps them up, but they're nice and juicy in the middle. Okay, guys, here we go to see what you gave me. 7 out of 10. That's a pass. Too hot and crunchy. So what if we go on to meal number 2?
Yes.
Who feels like more chicken? Because I can do a roast chicken and some roast potatoes. Got to get the moisture out of the chook. Just been out for a bit of a swim down at Bondi. We're going to stuff in there. Now we're only going to put about half on the chicken. The other half is going to go in the potato. Rub that in. Can feel very tense. Put that on air fryer. Dinner's ready. If it is the right temperature, it is perfect.
They look really crisp.
Don't they? Oh, look at that. That looks magnificent. A little bit of salad on there as well for you guys. Oh, he's liking that one.
Yeah.
Is that a 10 out of 10? Yes! I'm getting better and better. Who's up for dessert?
Me.
That's it. We're ready. That's it. And then the hole in the middle.
Soft. They're very soft.
We chuck those straight in. Who wants donuts?
Me.
Blue, let's do this.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh, look how fluffy that is. That's perfect. Thumbs up. Voting time. Is that 19 out of 10? High five. Was that the best meal that I did, that last one? And that was the easiest. Well, if a dummy like myself can do it, that is the convenience and versatility of the Russell Hobbs crisp and baked toaster oven with the air fryer function. Taste testers, thank you very much for coming in today.
Thank you, Fitzy.
Thank you. There's still a couple of pieces of donut left. Oh yeah, I knew you'd get stuck into that. That was the winner, I reckon.